Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I have INFINIX Note Pro 40 Plus and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. To manage it, open Google Home application, tap on three dots on the right corner and there choose our settings option in it, password manager, and there we can manage our Google passwords which our smartphone remember by tap there. But to do that we need enter our look screen because I don't have any look screen, and after we set it we can manage our Google passwords by this first icon. We can copy our email, copy our passwords, or after we press this icon our smartphone shows us password which remember. You can also share these passwords to someone by this icon, or we can edit all by tap on edit and write something new in Note, password, usernames or passwords. After we change something, remember to press save. You can also delete all by delete and confirm by delete again. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.